Ever wondered how to make delicate and delicious French lace cookies at home? These thin, lacy cookies offer a delightful crunch and a sweet caramel-like taste. So, here's a simple guide to making these elegant treats. The ingredients you will need are half a cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of packed light brown sugar, 1 large egg, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of old-fashioned rolled oats, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. While the oven is warming up, line your baking sheets with parchment paper. Next, turn your attention to the butter. Melt it over low heat in a saucepan. Once it's melted, remove it from the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Now it's time to mix the wet ingredients. Combine the cooled melted butter with the brown sugar in a mixing bowl. Stir until well combined. Then, add the egg and vanilla extract to the mixture, mixing until smooth. In a separate bowl, combine the dry ingredients, the rolled oats, flour, and salt. Gradually add these dry ingredients to the wet mixture, stirring until everything is well combined. Once your batter is ready, drop teaspoonfuls of it onto the prepared baking sheets. Remember, these cookies will spread during baking, so leave enough space between each one. Flatten each cookie slightly with the back of a spoon or your fingers. Slide your baking sheets into the preheated oven and bake for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges of your cookies are golden brown. Keep a close eye on them while they're baking. These cookies can quickly go from golden to too dark if left unattended. Once your cookies are baked, allow them to cool on the baking sheets for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. As they cool, they'll become crisp. Now all that's left is to enjoy your homemade French lace cookies. These delicate, lacy cookies are not only delicious, but they're also visually appealing. They're the perfect accompaniment to a cup of tea or coffee and make a lovely treat for any occasion. So, go ahead and indulge in the sweet, crisp delight of these French lace cookies. Eat and be happy.